Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
आज का वीडियो थोड़ा स्पेशल है. देवेश इज अगेन इन पुणे एंड वी शूटिंग टुगेदर. सो काफ़ी उटपटांग शॉट्स अभी आने वाले हैं चैनल पे. सो डू स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड गो वॉच इट एंड लाइक इट. Hit the like button if you like it.
We are back again with some of the job updates. आज का video will be towards hackathons and internships. Also, we have our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. And we have a Google form too for a placement interview series. Any one of you is interested to come onto our channel for a placement interview can fill up the form and we will contact them. Now let's move on to the jobs.
So guys, the next opportunity is from D2C. We have the D2C recruitables and some major companies are hiring like Walmart, Myntra, JustPay, etc. So, and we had a lot of requests from you guys. So here it is. The first thing that you need to prep is for the MCQ assessment that will be on 13th September till 19th of September. Next there's an evaluation on computer science fundamentals. So again, it's an MCQ challenge and the timeline is again from 13th to 19th. I guess you can appear for the tests in this particular time frame. Then you have a soft skill assessment as well and an elementary online coding assessment that is optional for the software roles, I guess. Then you have the interview with your dream company based on your performance on the 4 assessments that were given by you.
Be careful guys, get a good score and major recruiting companies will come up to you like JustPay and mentioned all companies giving more than 10 lakhs LPA. You can go through the registration process and mostly student pursuing full-time BTech or BE, the batches of 2022-2023 are eligible for internships and PPOs, and freshers with work experience or with no experience but pass outs like 2021, 2020 and 2019 can apply for direct new jobs. And the rest all you can come to this website, link will be in the description box below and check them out.
Yeah, and another important thing is you should be having 50% in your 10th and 60% in your 12th standard.
Yeah.
So that is something that you should keep in mind.
Next company is Globedge, which is a part of Capgemini. Now it's a Globedge software challenge where they are hiring freshers. The eligibility criteria is that you should be BE BTech pass out of CESC, ISC, ITE, ECE or Telecom. 2021 and 2020 and 2021 are eligible. Now BE BTech you should be having 60% and above. The process is online aptitude, then online in coding in C programming, then your technical interviews 1 and 2, and then HR interview. And yes, the same link will be provided in the description box below. Here is the CTC that they are offering. Also, you should be having a certification or it will add an advantage of C++. And yeah, you can come up and apply here. The link will be in the description box below. You have to fill this form and proceed ahead.
Next up is another position from Barclays for a graduate analyst in Pune. Yeah, coming to the technical skills that they're looking for. So you should have strong hands-on knowledge of Java API, microservice architecture, etc. And basically your basic qualification should be BE or MCA or equivalent. And the link again will be in the description box below, so you can go through the job overview and the description to get more knowledge about it.
We have all heard the saying, when life gives you lemon, you make lemonade out of it. But what if life has become so hard that even the lemonade tastes bitter now? Did you even think about that? What to do now? Here is the answer. You get a better juicer. In this busy corporate life, we don't get time to breathe or relax. So we need to treat our time off as sacred. We should make changes in our life that will impact us in different ways. But in order to make these changes in life, you need to be in a company that values your time and money. And we all know how tech companies are. But as we know, there are exceptions to everything. You can have a fun social life, follow a good lifestyle, work hard to be successful. And the answer to this is pretty simple. That's re-level.
So now you can register for the re-level test in just 5 steps. So you sign up on relevel.com, select the test of your choice, that is the business development or the front end development or back end development test. You book a slot when you want to give the relevel test. Slots are limited, so we suggest you that you book it fast. And then finally, you need to create a neat video resume, and you can talk about yourself, your experience, and your career aspirations. And the video resume should be submitted within 24 hours after selecting the slot to confirm your slot. Then click on submit and confirm your slots for the test. All the rounds of the test can be completed in a single day, and you will get your scores in a few days.
So the next job update is from Geo, graduate engineering trainee. Geo, everyone you might be knowing what Geo is. So since it is Geo, you should be having knowledge in 4G, 3G, and 2G networks. Knowledge of network deployment. Basically, computer networks. You should be knowing computer networks, and they are looking for freshers. So 2022, 2021 candidates can apply for it.
Next, we have an opportunity from Hike, that is for an ML intern, and it's a remote opportunity. So coming to the role and the requirements that they are offering, the key day-to-day responsibilities is mentioned as below. So you need to build and test deep learning models in the areas of CV and audio, mostly in Python. Then create deployment pipelines, etc. So you need to be very good with machine learning concepts and deep learning, etc. Coming to the eligibility, you need to have a BTech or MS from a top tier institute, preferably final year of computer science, mathematics, etc. The fields are mentioned as below, and these are a few skills that they want you to be proficient in. So do go through all this.
The next job is from HackerRank. Everyone must have been knowing what is HackerRank, and since you are practicing coding, so you might have visited once on this site. So they are looking for software engineering interns for 6 months. So since it is HackerRank and it's a platform-based company, so they might be looking at persons who are good in making questions, have better knowledge of data structures and algorithms, should be familiar with C, C++, Java. The steps to apply for the internship is you need to solve 3 coding challenges. That's from DP, DFS, BFS. You can code in either C, C++, or Java. Then you have to create a resume on HackerRank itself, that is Hacker Resume. Then you have to upload that resume, and it is also a paid internship. And if you perform well, they can offer you full-time role.
And do note that they've mentioned that you shouldn't apply via the LinkedIn option.
Yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Sare jobs के links will be in the description box below. You can go and check them out. Also give to it your friends who are looking for jobs, and help them too. Okay guys, see you next week. Take care and bye bye.